In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Regions Bank mobile app with this step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're managing your finances on the go or simply prefer doing your banking from the convenience of your smartphone, installing the Regions Bank mobile app is a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, open either the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. These digital storefronts are home to thousands of applications, and finding the Regions Bank app is just a matter of a quick search. As you open the store, you'll see a search bar prominently at the top of the screen. This search feature allows us to zero in on the app we need without having to scroll through lists or categories. So go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Regions Bank app. Be sure to check the spelling as the search results will be precise. Once you've typed it in, press enter or select the search icon to execute the search. Almost instantly, you'll see a list of search results populating your screen. Now look for the official Regions Bank app from the list. It should clearly display the Regions Bank logo to help you identify it easily. Select the app from the search results by tapping on it. This action opens up the app's dedicated page where you can find more details about its features, user reviews, and more. Now that we're on the app page, the final step is to click on the install button. This button will be located right on the app's page and is usually quite prominent. When you click install, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically on your device. The process may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection speed, so just be patient as it does its thing. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an open button in place of the install button indicating that the app is now ready to use. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded the Regions Bank mobile app. Now all you need to do is open the app, log in with your credentials, and start exploring all the banking features it has to offer. From checking your balance and transferring funds to paying bills and more, the app brings a multitude of banking services to your fingertips, making your financial management much more convenient. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found the steps easy to follow and that you're now ready to manage your banking needs directly from your smartphone. If you ran into any issues or have questions, feel free to leave comments and I'll be more than happy to assist. Happy banking!